morning. I hope you guys are doing fine. I know it's been a while ever since I stopped filming. I'm not okay. I've woken up. I'm not feeling well, but guys, I need to do this for you. The problem is my tongue. As you can hear me speaking, I'm not speaking okay because I'm trying to. My tongue has been not feeling okay, been having sores. So I want to unbox this. It's a radio I was gifted for me to be listening. So it's so nice, guys. And I want to unbox it with you. We try it out because it's, as you can see, it's kind of using power. So yeah, welcome to my vlog today. It's been a month ever since I stopped filming, so let's do the unboxing. Let me, yeah. How have you guys been? So this is how it looks from inside. Let's remove it. My one hand is holding my phone, and the other hand is the one that is doing the honors. So what's going on here, guys? It doesn't want to come out. Yeah, so this is how it looks, guys. Is this nice? It's just like a small radio. It has this sweet aerial over here, the buttons. This one is for light, as you can see from this side. Have the light over there, and then the USB, somewhere you can charge it. That is what I want to do right now. Yeah, and also having this switch side over here. Also classic, guys. And these buttons over here, and also these handles. Yeah, so you can even travel with it, go with it. It's not that heavy. And this is where you charge the radio. Right now it doesn't have power. I want to do that with you. And it has somewhere to put batteries, you guys, as you can see. Well, jamani natuli. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh, it's so sweet, right? The color of the battery, you guys. It's so sweet, yeah. So that's it. Let's try it out if it's working. And yeah, this is how it's looking. So super nice. Oh, and also one more thing, the packaging, as you can see, it's so nice too. And we have this this cable. So let's try it out and let's see if it's working. Hello, guys. So I'm trying to sort out my clothes. I think I shall do giveaways. As you can see, I'm pale. I'm not feeling well. So I'm doing this while having a drink over here. This is my juice. I've been having for a week now. Yeah, that's it. So I think I shall do giveaways like this one. I'm going to give it out. I've not worn it even a single day ever since I got it. I was it was given out to me, but I think it was big, so I ended up keeping it. And I think this place, there are so many people who need to be looked upon, so I'll be giving out so many of my clothes. Also, this one I'm not wearing. I've not worn this one for also some time. The time I got this, I was big, and right now I lost a lot of weight, so it is not fitting me anyway. And I feel like I should give this away. So I'm sorting out clothes that I give away. For this one is a dress and it's okay, it's still good. The only thing is it had like a bolero some sort, and my friend took it, so it doesn't have the bolero anymore. And again, I have to add weight to again wear this. It's not wearable if I'm this slim. So I'm also going to give away this one. I think I will give away so many of my clothes. I want to change my wardrobe to official clothes because of my job. Yeah. So is this one I'm not going to give away. Yeah. So this one is I'm not going to give away. Yeah. And then I have this. Do you remember this? By the way, guys, in Maralal, I rarely wear dresses. So ever since I came, I've not worn this. I rarely wear dresses because of so much cold. So I end up wearing trousers. But I guess I will wear my dresses. This one is just a kadera ya kushindia kwa nyumba ama kuendea tu mahali. I think I'm going to wear this today. I don't know. Yeah. This one has just my clothes, so I'm just going to fold them on tape. So I've been told that I'm going somewhere, so let me just do like faster. I've not done anything in this house. Everything is so rough. I've not been feeling well, and also a lot is going on. So guys, I'm not going to show you my kitchen. It's rough. It's everything everywhere. I've not cleaned anything. I'm just feeling I'm just feeling rough. So let me take a shower, haraka. I dress up, we go for the event. I don't know. So guys, we are here. It's Loikas Primary School in Maralal. We've come for an event. Today is 28th May 2023 and it's World Menstruation Hygiene Day. So we are here for the girls event. It's a girls affair. I don't know what Matano is doing over there, yet it's a World Girls Menstruation Day. But guys, that is it. We shall see what the event is all about. We get to learn and then we do a story. I hope you are going to enjoy. This is my outfit for the day. I'm wearing this short dress and I have a bolero over here. So let's go for the event and let's enjoy the day. Hope you are well. So it's Sunday evening. Actually it's around 9. I mean it's around 8. Yeah, I'm just here to close my vlog. It's been a wonderful day. I thank God for the far that He has brought me. I've enjoyed the day. You guys, as you have seen, we went to celebrate World Menstrual Hygiene Day and I've learned a lot. Actually, I think I've been given a menstrual cup. Let me show you. I've been given this gift. It's a menstrual cup to be using while it's a menstrual cup, guys. That's it. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. I think I shall close it there. I have some work to do. The only thing I show you from here is me working out, but I will have done the outro. So I hope that you'll be seeing me working out from way back before I close it. So I hope you've enjoyed the Sunday with me. I think I'm back now. I'm able to like balance things. Right now I'm looking for a house, guys, so we might move out in month, God willing. So yeah, so thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.